Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have my update for my Rolling 10 project pan. So this is my project pan where I focus on finishing up items from my collection. So I do have a lot of long hold items here. I have been off my filming schedule because I got super sick. I still have like a cough. I've been coughing like a maniac and it hasn't been fun. But I am gonna get back to it and film my updates, and we are going to jump into this project pan for April. So I do have some good progress. It's interesting the progress I have made, because I have some really good progress on some items and some like not as good as last month. And it's weird because I also have been away, so I didn't bring all of my project pan items. Anyways, I'm rambling. We're gonna start with the item. I usually go by the items, like the order that I put shit on my face. So we have the Wet n Wild Primer Serum Refined Pore version. This is a very liquidy serumy foundation primer with bakuchiol oil, I think you say, bakuchiol oil, dragon fruit and lavender extract. And this has been in for 2 months. So I'm gonna show the progress pictures of where I was. I had like used a fourth of this when I rolled this one in, or a third maybe. And yeah, this was one of the items that I did not bring when I traveled to Riga. So we are looking like this now. I will definitely finish this one off next month. As you can see, I did not use as much in March as I have done in February, but that is totally fine. This is a decent primer. Don't know if I would like run out and buy a new one as soon as I finish this one up, but it's definitely nothing wrong with it. When I rolled this one in, it weighed 83 grams, and then in March it weighed 76 grams, and now it's weighing 71 grams. And yeah, this will definitely be finished by next month. And if it looks a bit lower than the line I made, it's because I used it today and yesterday, but I didn't have time to film yesterday, so that is why the line is lower. Then I have my foundation. I'm working on the Focallure full coverage matte foundation. I don't think that they make this anymore, and I've had it. This is the oldest foundation in my collection. This one has been in since February, and then it weighed 124 grams. In March it weighed 120 grams, and now I have used surprisingly much, even though I did not bring this when I traveled. So it's weighing 113 grams today, and this is where we are at. And it's probably a bit lower because I think it clings. So the line is currently there, but it might be even lower. So this is not a favorite foundation. It has like beautiful coverage when you apply it, but it doesn't last that long on my oily ass skin. So I just want to get it out. I am mixing this one with a different foundation also. But yeah, this is where we are at, and I think I should be able to finish this one up within like 2 or 3 months. It would be great to finish this one up within 2 months, but we shall see. So that is also staying in. And then the next part of my application on my face is my concealer. And this one I rolled in last time. It's my NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer. This is a very nice concealer. I do love it. The only thing that's a bit annoying is the application process, because you don't have like a doe foot. So I have to squeeze this out on the back of my hand and apply. So when I roll this one in, it weighed 20 grams, And this is where we are today. So you can see we do have a humongous jump, and I'm only using this like a concealer. I did hit an air bubble, so like I think I was like a nail up, and then I had to pump and it went up quite a lot. So surprisingly a lot of use. If I continue to use it the same way, this one should be done like next month, we shall see. But yeah, it is a very, very great concealer, and I could definitely see myself repurchase this one, but I do have a lot of other concealers that I need to get through before that. Alright, then we have my powder. I am also sniveling away. This is my Clarins loose powder in the shade 01. And this is a big ass powder container. It contains 30 grams, so a lot. I do like it. It's very nice. I like the packaging also. So I have been working on this since January when it weighed 169 grams. February it weighed 166 grams. In March 163 grams, so 3 grams worth of use. This month it has only lost 2 grams, so it's weighing 161 grams. But the progress lines are pretty similar, as you can see. My scales don't have decimals, so that might be like why I only see 2 grams worth of product. I also did, I used my Dior Powder No Powder, and that one gets hard pan, so I scraped off the hard pan and dumped it in here. And I have also started using a little special method on my under eyes, which I will talk about in a different project. But that it might be why the use hasn't been as like consistent, why I have used a gram less. But if I continue to use this the way I have, this one should also be done within within 2 or 3 months, which is nice. I don't mind working on this. It's a good powder. Alright, then let's talk about some cheek products, and I promise I do have rollouts today. One which is not a rollout is this fucking bronzer. This is my Boujoris de Poudre bronzer. I just want to hit pan on this one, so I don't want to finish it, and it is like a pain in my ass. It gets hard pan, and yeah, it's just not a favorite. I think what I'm going to do is leave it in for another month, and then I just want to rotate and use my other bronzers for a while. So this one weighed 65 grams in January when I roll it in. It has been weighing 64 grams in February and then in March. Now it's weighing 63 grams, but I am scraping it a lot. As you can see, like we have big hard pan in this section. So I think I'm just gonna use it during April and see what kind of damage I will be able to do, and then roll it out, possibly declutter. Like, this is the only bronzer that I use, and yeah, it's not it. I have been working on a blush that I wanted to finish up to completion. This is the Mekka blush it's their matte mineral blush in the shade Charming. This is no longer in production because Makeup Mekka just rotate, they create new things, new items, and don't bring back old ones. That is just their business model, apparently. So this one weighed 18 grams when I rolled it in, and I did already have pan because I got pan on this one last year. In February it weighed 17 grams, in March it weighed 17 grams, and you could see that I did have a big ass pan in this one. And now this is what we're looking like, so it is finito. I'm so happy to have finished a blush. And I mean, this was not an expensive blush or anything, and it was very, very neutral, the shade, so I could apply a lot. But yeah, I'm so happy to have finished up a blush, and yeah, it's going in my empties. And then the final cheek product I've been working on is my Ofra Frankened highlighter. So I had this Ofra highlighter, was it 4 or 5 pans? And I only had a couple of them left in there, and I repressed them together into one big highlighter, and this is something that I want to finish up this year. Progress has been slow because this is a very, very sparkly highlighter. Or not sparkly, it's a very glowy highlighter. So it weighed 57 grams when I rolled it in January, and in February it weighed 56 grams, which it is still doing. I don't know if you will be able to see like a lot of progress. I am working on like on this part to wear it down, but I don't know if you will be able to tell any progress, because you need so little of this to get a blinding highlighter. So we will be chucking along with this one. It will be in for quite some time. Alright, then we have some exciting updates. I rolled in a gimme product last time. It was my Beauty Bay eyeliner in the shade Minted, which was like a mint green. And I wanted to finish this one up because it's one of the items that I want to finish this year. And yeah, it wasn't really that much left, and I have been able to completely finish this one up, which is exciting. Another eyeliner out of my collection. I bought a lot of eyeliners, and yeah, it comes and goes, so to speak, but now I seem to have a lot of eyeliners again. So this one will be rolling out, and then I have also been working on a lip gloss. And I'm not a lip gloss girl. If you have followed me for a while, you know that I was working on a lip gloss for like the longest time last year. But I have some lip gloss in my collection, and I want to work them out and see, maybe I will become a lip gloss girly if I use them regularly. So last time I enrolled my Unearthly gloss in the shade Spice. This was from one of their holiday collections, like 3 years ago. And you can see where I was. I had used like half of this, and lo and behold, this one is actually finished. It was such a surprise. I've been having this by my couch and reapplied like a crazy person, because that is what I do when I'm like watching TV and shit, and I feel the tiniest bit of dryness on my lips. I'm like, I need to reapply. So I was able to finish this one up. I did not remove the stopper. That is just not a struggle I want to put myself through. But we are done with this lip gloss, which is so surprising because it took so long last year to work on my lip gloss, and this one just took 1 month. So I guess it depends on the item. And now I realize I did forget to talk about this one when I talked about my face products. So last time I enrolled my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy set. This is just a mini, or a mini. And I had just I had just opened this one, so I was it was almost full. And now this one is looking like this. So I don't have much left at all. This one will certainly be used up by next time. This is not an item I would purchase myself. I got this in an advent calendar because I have oily skin, so like dewy setting mists is not the best for me. But yeah, I'm gonna use it up, and it should be no problem to finish the remainder by next month. So that means that we are rolling out the blush, the lip gloss, and the eyeliner. And let's talk about what I'm replacing the blush with. I am gonna put in this thing. This is from Lurella, and it's their like cream glitter eyeshadow. This is in the shade Donatella, and it looks like this. And I have 2 of these type of products left in my collection, and what I've been doing recently, which is why I have already started seeing a jump here, is to use this like a glitter primer. So it is what I have done today. I put this one down on my lid, and then I push down the glitter eyeshadow, so it will like bring extra sparkles. And I want to finish this one up. I want to use everything up, and I should be able to do that if I keep using it the way I do. There was a time, once upon a time, everyone loved these types of products like the Stila Glistening Glow. I never owned a Stila, but I've been buying like from Just Style, and this one from Lurella, and yeah, this is my second to last one. So we are using that one up. Then I have, instead of this eyeliner, I'm bringing in my eyeliner from Kiko Milano. I'm sorry, my voice is not used to talking this much. This is just a beige eyeliner. It's also something I have on my list to finish this year. And this is how much I have left. So not super much. I use this to brighten up my eyes, but I also use eyeliners to make eyeshadow stick on the inner corner or on the lower lashes. So this one I want to finish up, and then let's bring in another lip gloss when I'm in this Lipgloss Go. This is from Kiko Milano. It's their Hydra, 3D Hydra lip gloss, and mine is in the shade 07. I have another one of these when I finish this one up in a different shade. They are really nice. However, I don't like the packaging because I can't store them with in my like lip gloss stand there, which is annoying. But it is a nice formula. And I'm gonna put this by my couch, and maybe, I don't know. I do have like windowing, but since it's not standing up, I can't see the level. But we will see how long this will take to finish up. And that is it, guys. Those are all the items that I have been working on. What do you think? How is your panning journey going? What have you been able to finish up so far during this year? I would love to hear it in the comments. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video as well. Bye, guys!